a small museum situated on the remains of the ancient train station dating back to the Ottoman Empire era, recalls how, after the defeat of King Hussein bin Ali, Lawrence of Arabia initiated his unstoppable advance until entering Damascus in 1918. After the war, the railway line was so destroyed that it never returned to full operation. Wadi Rum, also known as the Valley of the Moon, is a natural treasure located in southern Jordan, where the red desert sand meets monumental rock formations. This desert landscape, sculpted by nature over millennia, offers visitors a unique and almost surreal experience. The imposing granite and sandstone mountains rise majestically from the sand, creating a visual spectacle that seems to come from another world. The silence of the desert is interrupted only by the gentle whisper of the wind among the rocks and dunes, or the passage of camels. Visitors can explore the desert in off-road vehicles driven by local Bedouins for thrilling excursions and admire breathtaking panoramic views. Whether during the day, when the sun illuminates the rocks changing shades of red and orange, or at night, when the sky is lit up with bright stars, Wadi Rum offers an unforgettable experience in a timeless landscape. Today, Wadi Rum is a fascinating tourist destination. Those who wish to fully immerse themselves in its magical atmosphere can spend the night in comfortable campsites that offer accommodations with different categories and levels. The Movenpick Resort and Residence is a spectacular 5-star hotel that provides impeccable service, standing out among the many hotels opened in the last 2 decades. Aqaba, the only outlet to the sea and an important maritime port in Jordan, thanks to its mild weather during wintertime, is becoming a city capable of offering entertainment and high-quality accommodation options year after year. From Movenpick, there is a free shuttle service to the Berenice Beach Club. Berenice Beach is lovely, with its marine depths rich in corals and colorful tropical fish. From the shore, snorkeling is already possible. There is also the possibility of boat excursions. The Isla complex, lively at night with its beautiful restaurants and bars, is just a 10-minute taxi ride from the Movenpick Hotel. Aqaba is a small city, and various places can be reached on foot from the Movenpick Hotel. Al Sharif Al Hussein bin Ali Mosque is just minutes away. This building is a distinguished religious, social, and historical landmark that imitates ancient Islamic architecture. It was built in 1979, later renovated and expanded in 2009, finally inaugurated in 2011 under the patronage of His Majesty King Abdullah II. The dome and minaret are adorned with beautiful sculptural decorations, Quranic verses, and conical columns, making them architectural masterpieces that invite contemplation and admiration. Not far away is the ancient castle of Aqaba with free entrance. Originally built as a crusader fortress, it was rebuilt by the Mamluk Sultan al-Ashraf Kansu al-Ghauri in the 16th century. In 1916, it was the scene of an Arab victory when the fortress defended by the Turks was taken after a camel charge by Arab troops. The port of Aqaba became the main supply base for the Arab revolt.